There we go. So there's number 1 coming. Mark A up until D. And then while you guys are marking, I'm just saying that we will be writing the test up until the end of the 16.4. Okay. The one that you write on Thursday. Yeah. Remember? Hold on. Can I quickly say what I want to, because then you won't have questions. Listen. You're writing a test, not a test, a tutorial on Thursday. While you listen, please mark. You're writing a tutorial on Thursday. It's on the board. You're writing about chapter 6, chapter 8, and 16. It's 25 marks. Remember, because it's a tutorial, you are allowed to have a cheat sheet with you. Okay? Right. That chapter 16 is not the whole chapter. It's only up until the end of 16.4, meaning what we're marking now. Okay? Yes. No. Right. Any questions at 1A to D?
No, ma'am. I have a question related to the test.
Yeah?
Therefore, you said you're going to send the test, the previous papers.
Huh?
Therefore, you haven't sent them.
I will send them now. Are you guys on the classroom? Okay, so now go check this book. I just want to quickly mark because we need this. Tomorrow we're only revising. Okay? Right, can I skip?
We just doing until 10:30. We're not going to give like an activity or homework activity.
I am going to give, but that's going to be not for tomorrow. It's for, that's for Friday. Okay, there's 2A up until D. Mark, please. Eet nie. No, I don't want to hear. Okay. Right. Any questions at 2A up until D? No. Can I skip? Okay, quickly mark D. Okay, there's 3A, B, and C. Just quickly want to talk about these. You will see that yes, we do have 3 terms and we have a minus, but we couldn't get square root of each. And that is why you'll see my first step is I take out a common factor first. You guys all see that? Now, once I take out the common factor over here, then this bracket can be factorized further. That bracket has got 2 terms. It's got a minus in between, and I can get square root of each. So that can be factorized further to give me the x plus 4, x minus 4. You guys understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Let me tell you, you don't teach grade 8.
Focus over here. Right. So at B, I have got 2 terms. I have got a minus, but I can't get square root of 5 or of 20. Okay. And that was my clue that I first had to take out a common factor. So I took out 5 as a common factor. When I do, I have x squared minus 4y squared. Now that bracket can be factorized further. That will be, it's 2 factors. There's a minus in between, and I can get square root of each. So that will become x plus 2y and x minus 2y. Does everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, at C, you will see that I got x squared plus y squared and then x squared minus y squared. But over here, this bracket can be factorized further. That There's two terms, there's a minus in between, and I can get square root of x squared and of y squared. So that factorized gave me that last bit. Okay, why could I not factorize this first bracket further? Because there was a plus. Okay, you guys get that? Okay, can I skip? Okay, I'll just make it look. Right, at D, we did an example similar to that. Do you guys remember? Okay, so are there any questions at D? I know 4A you will have questions, so I'll explain just now. But any questions at D? Okay, now let's look at 4A. How many terms do I have here? 2, because this is term 1, then there's a minus, so this is term 2. Do you guys understand? So I have got 2 terms. I have got a minus in between. Can I get square root of each? Yes. So you will see that I started with big brackets. What's square root of 16 x minus y squared? That will be 4x minus y. Do you guys all get that? And then what's square root of 1? 1. No. Now, all I did here is I multiplied in that 4 to get the 4x minus 4y and then plus 1. And here, same thing. 4x minus 4y and then minus 1. So any questions at 4a? Okay, at b, I had 2 terms. There was a minus, but can I get square root of 200x? Square root of 2x to the power 3? So then I took out a common factor of 2x. Yes?
You like 4x? They by 4x minus 4y minus 1. Can't do it.
Over here. Do you want to go further? How many terms have I got there inside that bracket? 3. How many do I need? 2. So that's why I can't go further. I stopped there. Okay. And also another thing, there wasn't just 2 terms. And there should be a minus. Okay, yes, there's a minus, but there's 2 of them, so it's not going to help. And I can't get square root of 4x. I can get square root of 4, but what's square root of x? Can't. You see? Okay, was your hand up just now over here? Okay, so then I get 100 minus x squared. Now that is 2 terms. There's a minus in between, and I can get square root of 100. That gives me 10. And then square root of x squared will just be x. Any questions?
No.
Can I skip?
Yes, please.
Okay, there's C and D. Guys, are you done? Did you mark?
Yes, ma'am. We want me, ma'am, saying that. This is the wrong one.
Yeah, but we're marking and it's all right.
It's very well. I did it.
So how can it be right? Peggy. Huh? You didn't do your homework.
Exercise 3 minutes.
Maar jy merk al die pad en alles is reg. Right. Whilst he's handing out, I want to check. Did everyone get this packet about common factor? Right? Common factor. Then, there was a packet on difference in two squares. Okay. So if you don't have either one of those two, please come take a page. Which one do you need?
I think it's the page that I sent out. I signed like 2 days ago. I think it's 2 days ago.
Okay, so that's one.
Can you staple this?
Yeah, but it's separate. What do you need? Just this one. This one. Common factor. There's the one, and there's the other. Yeah? You've got difference in two squares. Right, people? Okay, so any questions at C or D? What? 4A? Oh, yes? We multiplied it. 4 times 8, 4x. 4 times minus y. Okay. Right, people. So now we're going to start with trinomials. I want you to first copy the following.